Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print image product when we print any PDF report of sales, purchase and invoice. So let's see about it. You can see here our module Dev Product Image Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales and select any record. Go to print menu and print this order. So you can easily see here image is also print with these details. Now go to purchase, select multiple, go to print menu and print this purchase order. Now see here your printed purchase order in image. Now go to invoicing, select. So you can easily see here your image and also print image with these details. Thank you.